Everyone, it's going to bring you into the studio. Have I got a lineup for you today? So what we're going to do is we're going to do another shibori technique. So I'm going to be using some coins. I'm going to be doing 1p's, 5p's and 2p's. So I'm going to put those in the silk fabric and dye them with brusho dyes. Let's go. Because it was quite time consuming the last one, this time we're going to use some thread instead of the string cut up, and I'm going to start with my 2p's. You're going to pop them behind your silk fabric and then you're going to bind, so just wrap the thread that you've got here really tight underneath the coin. So I'll twist the fabric a little bit to get a hold of it better and wrap tight like so. So we're going to continue with my 2p's, and rather than cutting the thread off, we're going to keep it all on. Again, underneath with my next 2p, try and get them close together. Twist the fabric a little bit underneath so you can get a bit of a hold with the thread. So I'm going to continue to do a big strip of the 2p's. And that's it, ready to steam. So there you have it. This could be great for a teaching project, some texture in textiles, or just for fun for you trying it out really. So you can dye it in many different colours obviously, and you can see the back's just as good as the front. So I've used some various different coins in there, but they've all come out really well. So happy with that. I hope you enjoyed the process of this shibori and that you enjoyed the fun side of using the brusho dyes, sprinkling them on damp silk fabric. Of course you can use other fabrics too. Really happy with the results, and yeah, do give it a whirl, do give it a try out. If you haven't already subscribed and you like this video, give me a thumbs up and do subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the next video. All right then, take care, and I'll see you